Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can path or pocket on curved surface in Freecad. So I'm going to create a new body, and in here let's just create a simple curved surface, which is going to be our circle right here. And then right after, click close, path, and then let's go ahead and make this 14 millimeters. So in order to apply your path or pocket on this curved surface, let's then create a new plane by navigating through the origin. And in here, you just want to go ahead and click on the plane where you want to apply your surface. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing the XY plane. You then want to click on the datum plane right here. And then, of course, you could customize this the way you want to. I'm just going to simply reduce the y-axis in order to simply go ahead and move my plane right here, which is going to be this one. So let's click OK. I'm going to hide back my origin, click on your datum plane, and then let's now click on the create sketch. Now I'm going to create this whole surface. So I'm going to do it very easily. Click close. And if we use something like the whole option, it will then apply it onto our object right here. But of course, you have to make sure that it aligns with the actual object right here. So let's go ahead and try it again, but this time let's use the pocket hole, which is going to be this one. And then let's do something like through all. And now we have applied our hole successfully, as you can go ahead and see right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.